Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. Today, I just got two packages, which I guessed the first one is the pine tree, Christmas tree, and the second one is fleece blankets. So, I would like to open to show you here. Then see together what are in the boxes. Are you ready? This is a fleece blanket comforter that was said on the eBay list. This is a second piece. If you watch my other video, open box about blankets, I got the first one and I really like. Then I ordered the new one, but from different seller. The first seller sent me with the vacuum bag, and this one sent me with the bigger bag, plastic bag, not bag. So I can use a plastic bag to contain blankets and maybe clothing. I would like to save the bags I did to contain other stuff as well. And then the second box, let's see how my pie cone or Christmas tree look like. And this is exactly what I wanted. It smells very nice from the real pie cone, and the size is 30 inches. So I will finish my video today. If you would like to see how I decorate my Christmas tree, so please check on another video shopping my first Christmas tree. Okay, thank you. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ